Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how we can use YouTube Studio. So if you have seen my last videos, which is like quite popular now, how to change your audio in your existing YouTube videos. So YouTube Studio is just not about that. It's more than that. So let's just see what options we get while using it. So by the way you can go to YouTube Studio is by clicking on your logo and then click on the YouTube Studio. So when you do that, your URL will be changed. So that is another way you can go to your studio version of the YouTube. You need to sign in for that. So here is the dashboard. So I think most of the users already seen that it will give you insight of the latest video which is uploaded by you and the views. And another one is like news related to the YouTube and all, and then the channel analytics. So channel analytics is like what your channel has been doing, what is the progress of it. Like if you can see, it's showing the current subscribers in last 20 days. It is like that, and watch time in hours. So this is the summary of it, and this is your top videos if you can see. So, and again, you can see the recent subscriber section. So that is just for viewing purposes. You have again the upload video. You can also go from there as well, and from there you can go to live. So in order to add descriptions and everything, we need to go to the YouTube. So there is a video section, and inside that you have doing a added details. So this is again another dashboard for your all uploads. So I think most of us already know that. But the thing is, if you have any restriction related to any videos, you can find it in here. So it's a list view. You can just quickly scroll through it, and you can also change the row per page, and you can get like a very concise view within this page only. So this is the upload date we have. And if you click on the details, it will going to take you another on your another page, and it will show you analytics according to your video you have, and this will show the comments. And if you wants to view it on a YouTube, then you can do that. So one option which is I like really nice is one is for download. So if you wants to have a backup of this, you can always go and download in the same quality which you have uploaded. And another one is I added title description. So most of the time we want to just add title and all. You're not considering that we need to add tags on it. So for that you can just click on it, and it will not going to take you to another page. It will just show you here. So you can just add description and title without going to another page. So this is one handy feature which you can use it and save you a lot of time. And I think that's it. And I will cover analytics part in my another video. So you can just, for the sake of this video, I will just click on it, and you can see the video analytics of it, like who are watching and how many subscribers are there for that particular video. So I will discuss in detail in my next video. So this is like that, and if you click on the details, it will take you to all the edit section. You can upload thumbnails and all. So one thing you should mind is if you access YouTube Studio from mobile, you will get only 200 characters for your tags. But if you like open it in a web-based browser, so it will show you 500. So that is something you need to consider for adding tags, because more is better. So you can also think about it, and you can also add end screens and all. I will cover this in my later videos. Then let's just go back to my videos again. So this is the board, and here you can add playlist. So playlist is something which you categorized your videos into. So like I have created a web list uh, like playlist for my tutorials and all. It will help users, like for example, if your one video is very popular, and if user find it like, yes, this tutorial like suits me, and I might check more related videos. So there's no way you can like user can't see it, because the suggestion which you will get from the right side, it not always be your own video. So what user will do, it will go to your channel and click on the playlist section. So where there, then you can categorize your video so that users can see it easily. And you can also set it as a public. So I have used that public. So it will be visible throughout the YouTube. You can also add other videos to it as well. So this is for playlist, and this is analytics part, in which you can see all the insights of your videos, like how many views your channel is getting, and what is the progress of this. We can also get deep inside it, which we will discuss it in the analytics parts, not in this video. Then you have comments. So comments, in comments we have this thing I haven't responded, which is by default. So this will be the comment, like which you didn't reply to. So you can just go there and see in order to get in touch with your subscribers or users. And this one is helpful review. Like it if you can see, this is like a very different type of message which your loved ones will going to say, but according to YouTube it is not something a message should be. So it has some algorithm, so it will just go into the helpful review. You might find it on a notification, but you won't be able to see it on your videos. So in order to see those comments, you can go to the help for review, or sometime it happens to be here. So what you need to do in order to approve is you can just click on approve, and it will get approved. So it will be published. So as you can see, it's 0 now, and it has been published. You can also comment from here as well. So now the subtitles part. If you have any subtitles, you need to create it. Like for your video, it's really time consuming task, so I don't usually do that. So there is something you can see. So I might make a tutorial of it if no other videos are there. And this thing is for monetization. So how many users you want, and how many subscribers you want in order to monetize your video. So monetization is like something by which you can earn money. So earlier it was not like that, but now you can see that's how high it is. So 4,000 hours is like really too much. But yeah, they are doing it in order to filter the users. So I have a long way to go with this, but you can always come here and see what is your progress for monetization. And then the audio libraries, there you have different types of audios which you can download it in order to add it on your YouTube videos. Like they are like royalty-free musics, which you can use it without worrying about anything. And then the settings part, in which you can just define the currency and the channel tag names. So I haven't done much here. Country of origin you can add. From the advanced settings, you can set by default how video whenever you are going to add a video, how you can like just set to default. Let's just use made for kids, or your channel might get flagged if you have content which are not supported by the uh, according to this compliance. So that's worth seeing. And here you can define how whether subscribers will be visible under your channel or not. So many users also hide it. So, but I think you should do it. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. All you need to do is share your videos and help out others. If they like your videos, they will subscribe you, right? And then another one is branding. So you might have seen like there is a watermark in bottom right corner of your videos. So that's how you can add it. So I have added it there. So it will work like a subscriber button as well. So if user will click, it will going to show a subscribe button there. So you can like add it for entire video. You can add it for end of video. So it will be like I think visible for 10 seconds if you choose that, or you can just use it for custom start time. You will find many videos related to that, how to add a branding. So I'm just showing it here. And this is the default feature, like a feature that require phone verification. I think this restriction for 15 minutes or over. So YouTube wants to have authorized for you. You want user which is authorized. Only those user can watch your videos. So upload defaults. If you wants to append something like in my case Mising online, I can just add it Mising online, and whenever you type like upload any video, it should show as a template like your video title. So you can also add descriptions. So I think I should use it for follow social networking stuff. So you can add it here. So it will be default for every videos. You can then again append it. So category, you can define what categories your video should be. Video language, if you wants to add it. I think that's mostly used for like subtitles related things. You can also use filters, so maybe that's why they are showing it in here. Okay, I thought my recorder stopped working, so it's working fine. So okay, so then the permission thing, I'm the owner, and this is like automated filters, how to approve users when they are subscribing, hidden users and all that. It's nothing to do with your videos and all. It's just about your channel. So that is all those things which you can use it for YouTube Studio. We were on settings and then the send feedback. I think that's a very quick review you can have. So I think next video should be the analytics, how well we can use analytics in order to gain our YouTube channel viewers. So I will cover that in my next video. So I hope you get some insight by seeing that video. So if you have any comment and question, please comment. And if you want me to make any video regarding some special topics, so I can do that as well. So just comment and tell me. I will try to do them as quick as possible. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.